Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today we're going to finish replacing the one broken brake line and maybe some shocks, depending on how I feel. Or I have the replacement parts for the distributor. Depends on how this goes. See, we're already at the tires. So let's try this and see what happens. Now if you remember, this brake line would not break loose. So I literally had to cut it. And it goes back to the metering block. Well, the new one came in. Hold your ears. Why does this always happen? I don't have my breaker bar out here. Let me go get it. You know, you would think you put it on with the impact or drill, you'd get it off the impact drill. I don't know why. That wasn't even on there that hard. I need to double check the settings on that thing. Alright. Let's see. It's got, yeah, 3 different settings. You know what? Can't tell the difference. Alright, that was the easy part. And I think we will grease all the fittings as we're going today, since, you know, I've already done all the other brake lines and didn't grease them. We'll just see how that goes. Alright, first problem you have to come across here is this brake line has fasteners to hold it down. There's like 3 of them, so we're gonna have to go inside and get them. You won't be able to see that, so I'll bring you back later. Alright, new hard lines installed. We only had a slight mess, not much. Bleeder's open. It's going to gravity bleed for a little bit, and apparently it's working. Yep. Wow, that was quick. Now we have 2 messes. I have to put the clamps back on here. It's just 2. I thought there was 3. There's just 2. So give me just a minute. I'll be right back. Well, that was more of a chore than I want to admit. Got them back in, though. I think that was the hardest part. Not to mention took the longest. Alright, I'm going to clean up, put the tire back on, and figure out what we're going to do from here. Alright, I have a new cap, rotor, whatever that other damn thing is. I can't think of it right now. And I'm waiting on one more piece to put in there. So I think we will skip doing that, and we will go to shocks in the back. Let's try that out. Looks sketchy, doesn't it? Trying not to be. See if we can do this without it rolling into my truck. And the jack's at its highest. Shit. That's not helping. Alright, we got a jack on that side, jack stand on this side. Alright, I now feel safe. I don't know about safe. And I'm gonna need this bad boy here. Alrighty then. Let's see. That side's in the sun. That side's in partial sun. So let's start on this side. Sounds good. Alright, maybe a little hard to see. Top bolt, bottom bolt. And that should be it. Again, the hardest part was getting the car jacked up. Top bolt's 5/8. Well, the outside is. I can't tell the inside. Oh, sorry guys, you missed it. I undid the bolt, and it's actually larger than 5/8. But anyway, I got it. There is numero uno. Now we need to get this one, which is probably going to be larger than 5/8. Yes, very much so. Alright, what is this? 15/16. Smaller than a 15/16. Oh, I know. Where's the one that we were using for the lug nuts? Oh, how about that? Same size. No way in hell that this is going to work. What in the hell? How about that, guys? That was relatively easy. There's your old AC Delco. Now, where did I shoot that damn thing off to? I should have new ones. Let's see if I got new ones. This is what I got. FCS Auto. As you can tell, they're the knockoffs. They were like $12. What do you expect? Because technically I'm supposed to be flipping this car, see? But the more I work on it, the more I fall in love with it. Did they give me any extra equipment? No. Well, what do you expect for $12? So I'll need that back. Alrighty then. Alright, that's on. Where'd the damn washer go? There it is. Not too shabby. That goes back on. And then that goes back on. Alright, fun part's going to be getting this back into the hole. And that's where the jack comes in. That should be more than enough. And it is. Almost. Alright, just a hair. Oh, perfect. Oh, quit saying that. Now the fun part's going to be getting to go back through. What did we say this was? 5/8, right? Nope, bigger than 5/8. then we brought the rest of the tools. And what do they say? 11/16. Yep, 11/16. First, let's beat that in. Maybe not. It really needs to go up higher. It's not lined up. There we go. Sorry for the noise. I will be kind and reduce that volume when we get into the video, when I edit it. You know, while I'm thinking of it, guys, can y'all like, subscribe, and do all that sort of stuff? And make comments. As long as you're reasonable about your comments, I don't mind them. Yeah, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what you'd like to see. That kind of stuff. I can only show you what I'm doing. Isn't that what they all say, though? I can only show you what I'm doing. And I can't work on the 256s until the shop is built. I just love how this thing won't grip it. Wrong size. Well, that's not doing shizo. Good to go. Back on. Aggravating. That is one new shock. Alright, let's put it back together and do the other side. And I will spare you that. Alright guys, just to show you, this is the shock I just took off. Yeah, I shouldn't be able to do that. I know I'm strong and all, you know, Hercules here, but shouldn't be able to do that. I hope you can see that. This little piece there. We'll take her off first. Should go just as easy as this one. And the other one, huh? Look at that. Except this time, we won't shoot everything to the other side. Well, we might have to wait till we get the top loose. I can't seem to get this one to budge. And of course, this one wants to spin. How about that? Alright, keep all that stuff together. There's a little nut. And again, it goes shooting across to the other side. Here's the other Chinese knockoff. At least that's I'm assuming where that is. So cheap it doesn't even say it's made in China. Isn't that something? Wait a minute. That's part of the other shock. Part of the bushing. Now let's try it. There we go. I hope you can see something from there. Just hang tight, I'm working right here. Here? Yeah. Now, goes to the first hole quite well. Ah, I see the big old problem. is it going up that high on that side and not this side? All right, Mr. Jack, do you need to calm down? All right. Took me a minute, but I got it. Didn't do the bottom one yet either, did I? No, sir. There's that. There's that. And there's that. Oh, here. I don't know if you can see that. We're working on the bottom part now. This jack stand is not working very well. Or stand for the camera. No, that's going to be the other one. We have new shocks. Thank you very much. Alright, for a bonus feature, let's take a look up under here. Those lights aren't even plugged in over there. As is that one. Not plugged in, meaning. This gas tank's not bad. I don't know if it's the original or not. I could reach around there and feel the build slip on it. My 79 still had the build slip on it, or part of it. Couldn't read a damn thing on it though. Now, we do have the extra dirt dauber add-ons here. They were free. Limited slip only. We're going to take a look and see if we've got anything in there for starters. Okay? I swear that looks like a fiberglass. What can I think today? Leaf spring. Which I'd like to know if that came on these things, or if that was something somebody added. Mine has like 9 leaf springs on it. My 79 does. No kidding, 9. You know what we forgot to do too while we were under that front tire and I said I was going to do? Grease them. Yep, you're right. Alright. Let me sit you down, find out what we need here. Screwdriver. I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, it looks like a hex. Now that I got all the dirt dauber dirt out of it, it's a hex. I have some, but I have to get up and go get them. But while we're here, let's get the dirt daubers out. In case you're wondering what a dirt dauber is, it's basically just a wasp. But they like to dig. Some will burrow in the ground, some will make these things. And they are a pain in the ass because they get everywhere. Not just in cars, houses, garages. You've never had them around, you're lucky. These have been long since dead. Alright, that's the majority of it at least. We'll get the rest of that later. Let's try once more. Yep. Alright, now I just gotta get out of position I can hit it. I put the hammer up already, didn't I? Yes, you did. I'm too tired to do this right now. Let's go get the hammer. Alright. How about that? That moved pretty easily. And I gotta do this without getting any dirt in there. I mean, yeah, it's getting on my hands because it's in the grooved area, but I can't get my finger in there to dip it. Okay, there's some there. Relatively close too. I still would like to change it out. Obviously not right this second. I'm going to have to clean all this up. Get rid of all the dirt before I even think about doing that. This plug. Well, I guess that's where it was. That's where the dirt line is. Alright, there we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's been our brief adventure for today. Just sort of following up on stuff, putting parts in as I get them. The next video hopefully be me finishing out the distributor, and then maybe we'll do a burnout up and down the driveway. Alright, see ya. This has been Whatever Garage, out.